I find it fascinating that there's so many pyramids in the sky. You often see them being formed with the clouds. So yeah, there's always that strange, peculiar. Those look interesting. It's like people sitting there. Yeah. Now these pyramids shape into one another. On the left and the right at the bottom here, there were two very distinctive little ones, but now they've blended into that larger one. And to me, that once again looks like a cloaked spaceship, because if you look at those straight lines there, that's not normal. And the fact that it flickers like that, it's actually repelling my videoing, because it's a deflection technology that they have, so that we don't zoom in closely. They didn't anticipate our cell phones, how advanced and, well, our cell phones can record and take pictures. So, no, that's definitely a spaceship up there. It's fascinating how these clouds form these faces, and bodies and faces in faces, and it's absolutely fascinating. See, there's like another little pyramid that's in the formation there. You see, they're all collecting and getting together. See there, they're all forming this pyramid. But there, it looks like there's a window up there. Look there, there even looks like there's a being up there. Oh, it's gone. There he is. Yeah, there. Look there. Can you see that? I hope you guys can. See there? Oh, look there. Now there's two of them. They probably see me, probably looking at me videoing them. Sure. See, there goes their technology again, repelling. But, too late, buddies. I already caught you guys in the window. Funny. Very odd shape, eh? Collection of all these clouds. They're pushing up. Look there. See, they're cloaking up. They're cloaking up because they see I have been observing them. See, the repelling is coming on, activating, and now they're building up their cloud cover again. Interesting, eh? Huh? See, there they are. I say, ooh, we've been videoed again, because that definitely is a warning to them. So this flickering is not my camera being silly or anything. It comes from their side. Sometimes I can zoom up very closely to things and it doesn't do that. But because there's that light in their technology, it's, they automatically assume you'll obviously just take out the focus. And then, see, look at those V shapes at the bottom there. I don't want to go too close, because then also, see, that's also, they speak about the watchers that descended from heaven, and this must definitely have something to do with these beings overlooking us. I'm going to say something now. It's like we're in a petri dish and they're observing us from above, because there's so many faces up there. Yeah, there's another little pyramid that's forming. See there's that one there, and then there's this another one that's busy building up. So that is basically another little spaceship, busy cloaking up. See there they sit in the center there. I hope you guys can see them. See, there goes, they're gonna repel me once I get, there they go, they've sort of like activated it now. See, but I've already seen them. There they are. See there. You're interesting, eh? I'm just curious to know why there are so many in this area. As you can go outside here any day of the week. If it's cloudy, you can observe, and they're there. They're always there. I've even recorded them at night when it looks pretty dark, and then I set my camera on the brightest setting, and lo and behold, you see those faces up there. See, there's another little square little portal kind of thing with lights coming out there, like a light beam coming out. See, there goes the technology again. It's like a light beam coming out there. See there? See the straight lines? Eh? There's a lot happening up there. And as I say, this whole thing is basically the pyramids that fascinates me now. Even on this side here, you can see them building up these pyramid shapes. Do those straight lines there of that, whatever that is. Yeah, that's one of those cloaked things again. Sure. Yeah, they're all over our sky, eh? There you go again. I'm not going to change the setting now because... there, look at that funny face up there. Let's go closer. Let's see. Looks like some... Wow. You know what I find fascinating too is that when you look at these things, they actually shapeshift to different faces. And see, this one I've just been looking at has changed again. It's absolutely mind-blowing. So people don't tell me all they see is clouds. Really, you guys must open your spiritual eyes. You guys got to pray and ask for, for you to see these things, because awareness is always better than not being aware. And then one day you get caught and blindsided by something, you think you have to do a double take. The first time I saw scenery in the sky like that, my jaw dropped. I couldn't believe what I was seeing. And that's so fascinating. Well, anyway, I'm going to leave these little pyramids to get their formation together. There's the main one I started watching. What happened to it? Oh, wow. I was talking so much at the top, decapitated. See there? It's floating off now to the right-hand side. That's interesting. Remember that one there in the center? It was a perfect kind of pyramid, and it's floating off there. See there? It's going to probably join up with that other one there. That other spaceship over there. Because they sort of look like they are going into one another. Yeah, there they do. No, there's lots of beings up there. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Look at that face up there with the two eyes. Can you see them? Sure. Can you see the two eyes up there? Yo. That is amazing. It's like a square with a face peering in. It's cloaking up again now. Wow, look at that, eh? See, it's like a triangle. Also like a pyramid, basically shaped, eh? Look at that. Yeah, they obviously something to do with the pyramids on Earth. That's why we have so many on Earth. It's something to do as above, so below. Because really, I've often seen these pyramids, and I've often wondered if anyone knows why these pyramids form. Let me know in the comments. Anyway, have an awesome day. God bless.